Right, so here's just a collection of a few of my saws. Now this one's a MS260. It needs a chain bar adjusting, basically the chain adjuster there. This is my 064 and this is currently being repaired. Here's why it's being repaired. It's the damage an exploding clutch does. Now here is the part that went missing on it. The this little part here, it's missing from here. So that's the damage that was caused there. So I need to fix that. And this is my Chinese 365. I'm hoping to convert to a 372. Currently it's got a 20-inch bar on it. It does come with a 24-inch. So I'm just currently in the process of getting it going. So I've never had a 372 before. I've always wanted one. So I figured this is a pretty good compromise. I do have a few 372 OEM parts for it, so I'll be fitting them at some stage. Now this one here I'm currently trying to get going and it doesn't run, so I'll be going through that at a later stage. So yeah, this is just an introduction of my saws, some of them, and yeah, I'll post up more as I get some rebuild videos, etc. Yeah, so yep, there you go guys, have a look at that. Alright, thanks guys.